This is why you need to check out the moon tonight. The moon has always been a source of fascination for humanity. Its ever-changing appearance and mysterious presence in the night sky have inspired countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. Whether you're an amateur stargazer or a seasoned astronomer, there's always something new to discover about our closest celestial neighbor. Let's dive into the phases and how to track them. Understanding the moon's phases is not just about knowing when the next full moon will occur, it's about appreciating the intricate dance between the Earth, the moon, and the sun. This celestial ballet affects not only the appearance of the moon, but also its position in the sky and its visibility from different parts of the world. The moon, our night sky's trusty companion, goes through fascinating phases that change its appearance. These phases are a result of the moon's orbit around the Earth and the varying angles at which sunlight illuminates its surface. From the slender crescent of the waxing crescent to the bright round full moon, each phase offers a unique view and a different experience for observers. Understanding these phases is key to predicting the moon's visibility and tracking its patterns. By knowing the current phase of the moon, you can plan your stargazing sessions more effectively and make the most of your time under the night sky. Whether you're interested in observing lunar features, capturing stunning photographs, or simply enjoying the beauty of the moon, understanding its phases is essential. So, what are moon phases? The moon's phases are the different shapes we see as the moon orbits Earth, created by its position relative to the sun. As the moon travels around our planet, the amount of sunlight that reaches its surface changes, resulting in the various phases we observe from Earth. They're the different shapes we see as the moon orbits Earth, created by its position relative to the sun. The cycle of the moon's phases lasts about 29.5 days, known as a lunar month. During this time, the moon goes through 8 primary phases, each with its own distinct characteristics and appearance. There are 8 primary phases. New moon, waxing crescent, first quarter. The new moon marks the beginning of the lunar cycle. During this phase, the moon is positioned between the Earth and the sun, making it nearly invisible from our perspective. As the moon moves away from the sun, it enters the waxing crescent phase, where a small sliver of light becomes visible. The first quarter phase occurs when half of the moon's surface is illuminated, creating a striking half-moon shape in the sky. Waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent. The waxing gibbous phase follows with more than half of the moon's surface illuminated. This phase leads up to the full moon, where the entire face of the moon is bathed in sunlight, creating a brilliant round disk in the sky. After the full moon, the moon enters the waning gibbous phase, where the illuminated portion begins to decrease. The last quarter phase, also known as the third quarter, shows half of the moon's surface illuminated once again. Finally, the waning crescent phase brings the cycle to a close, with only a small sliver of light visible before the new moon phase begins anew. To find out today's moon phase, you can use websites, apps, and tools like NASA's Moon Phase Calendar. These resources provide accurate and up-to-date information on the current phase of the moon, as well as predictions for future phases. With the help of these tools, you can plan your stargazing sessions, track the moon's progress through its phases, and even set reminders for special lunar events like eclipses and supermoons. Each phase offers a unique view and position in the sky, perfect for stargazing. Whether you're observing the slender crescent of the waxing crescent or the bright full disk of the full moon, each phase provides a different perspective and a new opportunity to explore the moon's surface. The changing phases also affect the moon's position in the sky, making it visible at different times of the night and from different locations. Factors like phase, location, and weather influence the moon's visibility. The phase of the moon determines how much of its surface is illuminated, while your location on Earth affects the angle at which you see the moon. Weather conditions, such as cloud cover and atmospheric clarity, also play a significant role in determining how well you can see the moon on any given night. Where you are on Earth, be it the northern or southern hemisphere, changes how you see the moon. In the northern hemisphere, the moon appears to move from left to right across the sky, while in the southern hemisphere it moves from right to left. This difference in perspective can make the moon's phases appear slightly different depending on your location, and don't forget about the role of latitude and season. Your latitude, or distance from the equator, affects the angle at which you see the moon and its position in the sky. Additionally, the changing seasons can influence the moon's visibility, with longer nights in winter providing more opportunities for observation and shorter nights in summer offering fewer chances to see the moon. Want to observe the moon up close? Telescopes, binoculars, and even the naked eye can reveal craters, lunar seas, and mountain ranges. With the right equipment, you can explore the moon's surface in incredible detail, observing features like the rugged highlands, smooth maria, and prominent craters. Even without specialized equipment, the moon's phases and surface features can be enjoyed with the naked eye, making it accessible to everyone. Telescopes, binoculars, and even the naked eye can reveal craters, lunar seas, and mountain ranges. The moon's surface is a fascinating landscape of craters, valleys, and plains shaped by billions of years of cosmic activity. With a telescope or binoculars, you can see these features in stunning detail, from the large dark maria formed by ancient volcanic activity to the bright, rugged highlands and the countless craters that pockmark the surface. Capture these moments with photography apps designed for lunar tracking. Modern technology has made it easier than ever to photograph the moon and track its phases. With the help of specialized apps, you can capture stunning images of the moon, track its progress through its phases, and even share your observations with a community of fellow stargazers. These apps provide valuable tools and resources for both amateur and professional astronomers, making it possible to document and share your lunar observations with ease. The moon's phases aren't just scientific, they hold cultural significance too. Throughout history, the moon has played a central role in the cultural and spiritual practices of societies around the world. From ancient rituals and festivals to modern celebrations, the moon's phases have inspired countless traditions and customs that continue to be observed today. From festivals to myths, the moon has inspired stories and rituals across the globe. In many cultures, the full moon is a time of celebration and reflection, marked by festivals, ceremonies, and storytelling. The moon's phases have also been used to mark the passage of time, with lunar calendars playing a crucial role in the agricultural and religious practices of ancient civilizations. These cultural connections to the moon remind us of its enduring influence on human life and our shared fascination with its beauty and mystery. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, there's a whole world of phases and stories waiting to be discovered. Happy moon watching! Whether you're observing the moon's phases, capturing its beauty through photography, or exploring its cultural significance, there's always something new to learn and appreciate about our closest celestial neighbor. So grab your telescope, set up your camera, or simply step outside and look up at the night sky. The moon is waiting to share its secrets with you.